Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the 3D annotations. This is basically the same principle as we've seen on the 2D side, but in here we can create not all the features that we have regarding dimensions and annotations, but some. But it's very interesting because introduces some more visible information and notes on the 3D side. I will create simply a cube, our usual example, and then a 3D model menu, this last group additional, this middle function. We have all these possibilities to insert on the 3D side. All follow the same principle, but showing one or two dimension, and we can click a couple of points introducing the place where we want to insert the dimension, and we have all of these configurations about the appearance of the arrows, the size of the text, and so on. So it's very straightforward as we had on the 2D side, so not very difficult. The new concept here is the possibility to have these elements on the 3D side, and these elements go along the bodies and the assemblies and so on. So this is one dimension. To show another type, a leader node, for example, that we can attach to a point where we can say welding, whatever you have. Still with a mistake. Okay, now correct. And as you can see, this is very nice information that can be attached to the 3D elements. We can manipulate a little this about being shown or not. This is the work plans and the grids and so on, and in this bottom function we have this function for the 3D annotations that if we click and choose again, we can go from on or off in terms of being shown. So explore these functions. They are quite interesting for complementing the 3D work, and in case of help, let us know and we will be around for giving you some support about this.